Just go with
Don't
it.
ask so
Don't
many
ask-
questions. Just go with it.
Don't ask so many questions. Just go with it.
Alright, so we're at the restaurant now. Let's go get ourselves some tools. This is my workshop. It's a mess. But somewhere in there's a lot of power tools that are going to be good for us. What we have today is this big piece of plywood that we're going to turn into a custom sized desk. So increased in productivity coming up. So we're working off of the garbage bins in the back alley behind the business. So this is the plan. This is the piece we want. This is what we're removing. So I'm laying it out here on this piece. And then we're gonna cut it out. So now we just mark the 9-inch sections on this piece, which is gonna be the support struts along the wall. Okay, so we just finished measuring. Those are gonna be the two shelves. So let's cut it out.
Ring, 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 ring.
Alright guys, so we're back at home. The desk has been installed for a few days now. I must say I got busy with some other stuff. You can tell the drawings are starting to pile up already, but we got all of our pieces ready, so we're gonna build the extension and the shelves for the monitors. So let's get to it.
So this is how the desk turned out. We have the full length of it, and then the L shape, and underneath it we have legs from the restaurant, which are sitting just on a second layer of 3/4 inch plywood to give it stronger base, and you can put longer screws in without piercing the top. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's build the rest. Shelves here, upright, other shelf, right here, hinging from underneath, extension, leg coming down, flop, good to go. Motorbike, electric. Okay, so let's look at our pieces, what we have. So we got screws, lots of long ass wood screws, a few smaller ones too, drill bits, drill, extra battery for the damn drill, because you always need that. Sanding thingy, but everything's already been pre-sanded in the shop, so it's like, I'm sorry for the light, by the way. It's nighttime, you know, as soon as it's like 4 p.m. up here in Canada. So, but look at that. I sanded these pieces so they're just nice, so nice and smooth. Do you like it, Kat? Do you approve of the piece of wood? I think so. Alright, so what we have then, we have 4 of these. Those are our 9-inch 2x4s that are gonna go both along the wall and along the vertical support, so 2 per shelf basically. Then measuring tape, of course. Glasses, you always need your eye protection, right, Cat? Let's put those on the cat. It looks great on you, Cat. Alright. We got this bracket, which is like the biggest, sturdiest, most gangsta bracket they had at the hardware store. That's the stuff. And it doesn't have, most of them had like a little bumpiness on that circular part that was not level, but this one's perfectly flat, has great range of motion, long support. Could have been wider, but you know, I think it'll do great. More screws. So these 2 pieces here are gonna be our shelves. So they're 9 inches, right? So at each end you're gonna have these guys. They're actually gonna be probably standing like that, actually, right? And then this guy is the upright. So this will all go together. And then on this end here we have the leg and this piece, which is it's so great. The way that it fits so snugly. It's that side. It's like you can't just jam it in there. It doesn't work. But if you bring it from underneath, it's so snug. Look, it just it's like it's just like it's you know, it's a flawless fit. Alright, so this piece goes there at the end of the extension. This is gonna be the leg, which can be put like so, and then it's gonna hinge from underneath here. So let's build this. Oh, there's a cat also. Did you guys see it? Did you guys notice it? Cat, do you approve of these building materials? Okay, good. We have our approval. Excellent. We can proceed. So the first thing we're doing is this piece is coming snug right here. So this here is our height, and it's very level. So I'm gonna run with this, to be fair. You want the nice looking pieces. Not to go anywhere. So we can erase the line. That's my annoying brother. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Yeah, I'm coming. The wax, bro. The eyes of the tiger. Talking about a strategic plan.
Yeah.
Tu veux-tu comme puis juste
Use the cat.
no, the cat is not very strong. Come and
It is, isn't it?
use your tall person arm to just fais juste appuyer. C'est comme un chinois, bro, it's all about the context. Ok, fait qu'on se rend jusqu'à 6 sur cette ligne-là. Yeah, from underneath. That's the line. This almost fell on my ball.
Oh shit, ça aurait pu faire mal. Man.
It would have been unpleasant. You know.
Ouais. Tu vas à la caisse. La caisse
Automatique.
Automatique.
Robo cashier.
Robot shit, yeah.
Robo cashier. Robo cop.
So, yeah.
Tu veux-tu, from the top, juste appuyer downwards, genre?
Yeah.
Comme
Know it.
vers le bas.
I'm doing it.
Puis dis-moi si je suis pas à la bonne place aussi, là, si la vis, elle sort n'importe où, là.
Ouais. Alright, I just need you to press a little bit.
I will press.
You will press, man.
Just do it.
Just do it. That's one down, 2 to go. So we're gonna put the bracket, we're gonna put that underneath right here. Looks great. just fix it right down the middle because that's the best way to go about it. Oh. Actually, it's a good thing that you said.
I know.
It's a good thing that you talked about that, my friend, because we have to put this first. Put it right here, and the leg.
Okay, ouais.
The leg comes, and it's so snug.
Betty Cracker.
Let me see.
C'est dur, là?
I thought it was an actual
Non.
massager thing.
Non, mais ce que je voulais faire,
It
c'est...
does the same thing,
Parce
doesn't
que-
it?
Yeah.
So we've got 4 screws that are about as scrappy as you can find, but they're gonna do just right. The leg comes like that at an angle, and then it just... Oh! It's so snug. Bring your ass here. It works so well. So basically, the leg comes and it's super snug, and yet, a couple hits. Whoop. Falls down. Yeah, and then the leg comes. You do it like that. You just bring it. It's super snug. And then, as the leg straightens, perfectly level. This is hard and sturdy. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah. Good. I'm happy with that. Good craftsmanship. Yeah.
Je sais pas sûr, hein. Je pensais que c'était Carole qui avait tapé.
This bitch, no, the neighbors are not. I'm the one who knocks.
There we go, bro.
Do you know that
No.
Breaking Bad reference?
Non, ça se peut. Du shit que j'ai oublié de dire. Fait que je savais pas dire. Mais parce que je sais que tantôt je voulais dire ça aussi. Mon coloc, lui, il fait tout le temps du
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Just kidding. I love it. It looks great.
It looks awesome, bro.
It looks awesome.
Ouais, maintenant, replace tes balles, puis là, je vais te montrer Uncle Roger.
Uncle Roger?
Uncle Roger.
You look like an Uncle
We
Roger.
want the...
Okay, so we have the shelves with the rum tea
With the whiskey.
and the extension. And I'm not using this in the end.
It's fucking bad.
It's a fucking whiskey tea then.
Irish whiskey.
Irish whiskey.
Irish.
Jameson, Irish whiskey.
Just go with
Don't
it.
ask so
Don't
many
ask.
questions. Just go with it.
Don't ask so many questions. Just go with it.
So, now that the desk is complete, we have something.
Mr. Knife Guy,
Mr. Knife Guy only holds the knife. I use the knife. But this is our workbench thingy, which is a high temperature insulation mat for welding and shit.
Nice.
Alright, let's see what it looks like. Ooh.
There's a bounce on top of
So this is our induction mat. Nice. It smells like toxic chemicals. It's perfect. So, very nice. Let's do it, and it should fit here perfect. It's almost like I measure it before I buy. You know what I'm saying? This will be for the cat. Cat loves boxes. Let's look.
Eggs.
Uh-oh, Uncle Raja video. And so I'm just gonna screw it in so it stays there forever.
Just go with
Don't
it.
ask so
Don't
many
ask.
questions. Just go with it.
Don't ask so many questions. Just go with it. Just go with it.